Welcome to the Flutter and Dart complete course, where you are going to become a Flutter developer with 25 lessons only. This course is suitable for the beginners or someone who has never coded or someone who does know programming with other coding languages, but you want to switch to Flutter, or if you know Flutter already, but you want to add on more advanced things. Why should you learn Flutter? Really, this era itself, Flutter. Why? Because with Flutter, you can only use one code base and you develop a lot of things. For example, only using one code base. When I say one code base, I mean you only code once and you develop different things or different software that works on different devices. For example, you can code once and you produce an Android application, an iOS application or Apple application. You can produce Mac computer software or applications. You can produce Linux software. You can produce Windows software. You can produce embedded software or robotics software. Also, with the Dart and Flutter, you can use it in the back end. Also, you can use Flutter to develop games. So really, Flutter is rich, has a lot of support from Google. It has a greater community with the free resources. Really, this is good that really you have decided to join this course and expect that you are going to start coding in the fourth lesson. So these first, second, and the third lesson, I'm going to take you through what you have to know, the details, and really by the fourth lesson you are going to start coding. Yeah. Now, what do you expect in this course? These are some of the key things we are going to learn. You are going to know how to install or how to set the Flutter environment on your computer. We are going to learn the editors, how to use VS Code and Android Studio. I'm going to teach you, we are going to see introduction to that. We are going to start learning how you can start coding. Even though you have never coded, you are going to start learning to code. We are going to see more and advanced coding or programming things, basically in Dart. We are going to learn Flutter, introduction to Flutter. We are going to learn how you can make your first app using Flutter. We are going to learn how you can develop APIs. Yeah. We are going to learn how you can connect your application or software with the back end. We are going to see how you can connect your Flutter application with a Firebase or other databases like MongoDB databases and others. We are going to see how you can secure your software or your mobile application. We are going to see how you can deploy your finished mobile application to the Play Store or to the Apple Store. We are going to see how really you can make tuning money from your application. Again, I'm going to really be sharing with you more things that you need to be a complete software engineer who can even really earn great money from this software engineering industry. What is Flutter? Flutter is an open source framework for building beautiful, natively compiled multi-platform applications from a single code base. What is Dart? Dart is an approachable, portable, and productive language for high-quality apps on any platform. Why should you develop with Flutter? First of all, Flutter is a cross-platform framework. Flutter, you only use a single code base and you develop all of the applications or software. There is a feature what we call hot reload. You are going to be seeing it, that helps for you to see the changes in the real time. Also, Flutter has mega support from Google and a larger community. So really, just move with me so that we move further with Flutter. Let us see the difference between Flutter and another common framework, which is React Native. Okay, there is really a great difference when you see Flutter. From Flutter, you can do Android applications, iOS, Windows, Mac software, Linux, websites, and embedded software. Again, you can do games with Flutter. Again, when you see with the React Native, you will only be able to develop Android applications and iOS. So really, you guys, this is really a greater thing with the Flutter. You have to get started, because with the only one code base, you can do a lot of things, please. What are the course details? Number one, why you are choosing Flutter. This is the first lesson. Number two, installing Flutter and Dart on your machine. This is our next lesson. Number three, we are going to see how you are going to use the code editors, that is VS Code and Android Studio. Number four, we are going to learn Dart. We are going to start radio coding. Number five, we are going to understand Flutter core concepts. Number six, we are going to build our first application. Number seven, we are going to master the Flutter layouts, row, column, and flex. Number eight, we are going to navigate between screens, how you can move the screens or tap other pages on the applications. Number nine, managing state in Flutter, set state and provider. You are going to see them. Number 10, how to fetch data from an API. This is really interesting. You are going to learn about using API. By the way, we shall also learn how to develop APIs. Number 11, storing data locally in Flutter. Number 12, building forms and validating input in Flutter. Number 13, making your apps interactive with the Flutter animations. Number 14, building advanced user interface in Flutter. Number 15, testing and running your Flutter app on physical device. Number 16, step-by-step guide on uploading your Flutter app to the Play Store. Number 17, uploading your Flutter app to the Apple Store. Number 18, how to make money with your Flutter app. Number 19, how to debug your Flutter app and handle errors. Number 20, and the last one, creating real-world applications with Flutter. Thank you. Let us meet in lesson 2 on how to install and to install the Flutter environment on your computer. Thank you. Let us meet in lesson 2.